Hi, my name is Dr. Sireesha Battula. I'm here today to talk about some inserts, over-the-counter inserts, as well as custom inserts. I'm sure at some point, if your foot hurt and you asked a friend or talked about it or Google searched, you must have seen various products to help with your pain. And some of them might be just Dr. Scholl's inserts or some store-bought soft insert that would just feel better on your feet. And there are so many inserts on the market. I just wanted to give you a little lowdown on what it is that as a podiatrist we suggest for you to get if it's an over-the-counter insert or if it's custom and you need it or not need it. Here's the deal. There are many kinds of inserts right on the market. I want to go over a few kinds that would kind of give you an opportunity to see what it is that you are looking for. So there are inserts that like Dr. Scholl's inserts, which are not too different from the shoe insert that already comes with your athletic shoe. You must be able to pull out a sock liner or an insert that goes in your athletic shoe that might look like this. And it is usually soft. It might even look like it has a little arch in it, but this is what happens when you bend it. It just is very flexible, no support at all. It might give you a little cushion, and if that's what you need and that's what you're looking for, that's great, but it does not help in any other way. The cushion is what you're looking for. These type of inserts that are over the counter might be helpful. Now lately, you can go to a drugstore and sometimes find these custom or semi-custom inserts where you stand on a machine and it will tell you where the pressure points are and maybe will recommend a certain type of insert for you. And some of those might be okay. I can't speak for all of them. However, what I can tell you is what it is that you should look for in a proper insert that would support you. If you are looking for just comfort and cushiness in your feet, yes, the cushy inserts are the best. But if you're looking for any type of arch support, to actually support your arch, you want something that's firm. And a typical over-the-counter insert that I really like are these Power Steps. And the thing about these, if you notice, there's a nice arch, but I can't bend them right in the arch. That's because there's probably a polypropylene shell inside and there's a soft upper that makes it nice and soft and squishy, but just in the arch area. Now all of this is nice and soft, but just in this area there's a nice firm polypropylene device inside, and also a soft heel counter here for somebody with a heel pain. These and super feet are commonly what we recommend and most professionals recommend that are over-the-counter inserts. Now any over-the-counter inserts that have the same plastic or polypropylene to support your arch would make a nice supportive device if that's what you need. We also have many on the market for little children that look like these. They're just plastic devices that go inside the shoe. Now my recommendation with these type of half devices that just support your arch, they don't go all the way. They're pretty nice, but they move around in a shoe. So what I'd recommend oftentimes is take out your insert that comes with your athletic shoe, slide these in, and then put the sock liner or the insert back on top. Or maybe use a little Velcro dot on the bottom of the device so it doesn't slide around. And that would be great. And the same goes for dressy inserts. So if you have a pair of heels that you need to wear for a meeting, but you're standing all day, they're these nice thin ones that are 3/4 length. Sometimes they have a nice cushion on the balls of your feet. These have a nice arch as well. And this is a nice style insert that slips right in and still doesn't go into your toe box, so you still have some room for your toes. And this is a style of insert that I recommend. Also has a polypropylene inside. Very thin. Sometimes it's graphite. There are various inserts like that. This is a special type of insert that we use for mostly diabetics or elderly that like softer inserts, but they do well with it, but it's still, there's an arch and it is fairly firm. It doesn't flatten out that easily. This is not for running activities. These are just for daily walking or walking around the house, but they also offer nice cushioning for people that need that. And they also have this material, the pink material that forms to their foot. And so it can offload any pressure areas or prevent blistering. So these are the various inserts and over-the-counter inserts that are available if you're looking on the internet or your local stores. But what you really need to take away from this is if none of these work, then you need to go see a professional and maybe get a custom insert. Not everybody needs custom inserts because everybody's feet are different, but if you find yourself looking for an insert because normally the shoes that are available to you on the market are not fitting you appropriately and they're always something, they're too loose, too tight, or something is bothering you about a shoe, it's maybe time to go get a custom insert. I hope this is helpful.